So let's have a quick look at the objectives of this program. So we're going to look at how do we maximize our possibilities in work and life? How do we make the best of our time and our life moving forward, not only in life, but also in work? We're going to look at what are our key life priorities and touch on the concept of work-life balance. Let's first get clear about what our life priorities are before we then look at the work aspect of our life. And we're going to look at our personal job fulfillment. How can we improve our job fulfillment ourselves? And the nice thing about this is once we get clarity, clarity creates control. So we'll be going through and using a couple of quick tools, which I'll show you in a second. We're going to look at what are your top motivational drivers and create a personal engagement plan for yourself. And then we're going to touch on the topic of personal cash flow management, a hugely undervalued and underappreciated approach to taking more control of your life. And then walk away with your own specific strategic action plan. So the key tools that you'll be needing for this particular session are your life priorities tool, a job fulfillment tool, and also your motivational drivers tool.